Cook grilled chicken indoors in 10 minutes. In today's fast-paced world, people look everywhere for any kind of means to make life a little more convenient. When it comes to cooking food, it almost seems like eating delicious home-prepared meals are becoming an impossibility. The traditional pop-in-the-microwave oven dinners are not something to look forward to, and restaurants and fast food services or home deliveries look like the best option so far. However, no matter how busy you are, there is no need to sacrifice healthy and delicious food just the way you like it. Grilled chicken is one of those tasty dishes that everyone enjoys. What you may not know yet is that you can do all of your grilling in a few minutes while indoors. This is great news, especially if you too are caught up in the hustle and bustle of your everyday routine with hardly any time left for yourself, much less cooking up a good dish. Here's how to cook that great-tasting grilled chicken within the confines of your home, and ready before you know it. Purchase a cast iron grill pan. This type of pan has unique ridges and is made of cast iron, which has the exceptional capability of retaining a sufficient amount of heat and distributes this heat evenly. It is also pre-seasoned, which gives it its naturally non-stick surface. The cast iron grill pan is also a lot simpler to clean and maintain and can also be used on an oven. Make use of an instant read thermometer. This is used so that you can tell when your chicken is good and ready to eat by reading out its temperature. To keep your chicken juicy but a lot safer to eat, its temperature should read about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Although you cannot leave a thermometer on the chicken while it cooks, you simply have to take it out from the heat source, place in your thermometer on the thickest area of the chicken, and check. Start grilling your chicken. Always choose the healthiest chicken you can find, preferably organic if you can. A nice, fresh bird will be as tasty as it looks. Prepare to grill, avoiding grilling up your chicken all the way. The best way to make use of your grill pan is to enhance the chicken's flavor and to leave the distinct marks you find in grilled dishes. Give the chicken a light oil rub and season it with your salt and pepper and other preferred spices. Grill it for around a minute and a half on each of its sides, making sure that you do not move it around as it is grilling. After this, pop the pan with the chicken into the oven. This will supply it with a consistent and even amount of heat and allow it to cook properly. Bake the dish for around 8 minutes or so and until you see that it has reached the correct temperature. Once cooked, you must remove the chicken from the pan quickly as it could overcook from the heat. There are other sorts of dishes you can start grilling as well, and you do not need to exert a lot of effort to cook them up. Grilling indoors is a healthy way of preparing dishes, very satisfying, and will not eat up precious time. In just a few minutes, you are able to enjoy your very own indoor cooked grilled chicken.